welcome to the channel. In today's video, I want to show you guys Junia AI, another tool I found on AppSumo. It's currently on a 63% deal, okay, when it comes to, for example, tier 4, but when it comes to tier 1, for which you need to pay $69 as a lifetime deal, it's currently on 70% discount, okay. I decided to show you this tool to you guys because it has a very positive feedback, 48 positive reviews, and nearly five stars on AppSumo website, which means that this tool has been used by many users and they are happy with the performance of it. Okay, so what you can do with Junia AI, you can generate high-ranking content that drives more traffic to your site, with this powerful AI writing tool. Okay, so it's basically an AI writing tool, and there's a few functionalities you can use via the Junia. I'm gonna show you those in a second. Okay, this tool can be is an alternative to the tools like Copy AI and Jasper. So whoever used those AI writing tools in the past probably be very familiar on how to use Junia AI. Okay, so let's go quickly through the pricing itself. So first, okay, so what features are included in all the plans? Okay, GPT-4. Okay, it's unlocked according to AppSumo description, unlocked on all those plans. GPT-4. Remember that GPT-4 is advanced version, it's not 3.5 version, which is free of use to everyone. GPT-4 is more advanced version, and you have to pay for it on a monthly basis. Here, in tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, and 4, you all have GPT-4 enabled. Okay, I think it's a good news. Okay. So ready to rank auto-generated articles, 30 plus languages, AI document analyst, brand voice, knowledge assets, and number one AI powered text editor, SEO mode, build your own AI comments, 100 plus AI content templates and tools, link sharing documents, folders, keyword research tool. Okay, so in tier 1 for $69 you will have all features above, which they are those. Okay, plus you can use 20,000 words per month. Okay, and 5 blog post workflow runs per month. Okay, in tier 2 for $129 you have the word count goes up to 50,000. You got 15 blogs, workflow runs per month, and integrations on top of that with Medium, Reddit, Shopify, WordPress, and Webflow. And also you can auto internal and external linking. With the tier 3 for $239, you have 100,000 words per month, 35 blog post workflows runs per month, same integrations like in tier 2, same auto internal and external linking. And also on top of that, you can auto insert competitor keywords and terms in existing content plus schedule publishing. Okay, so you can also schedule publishing, for example, into the Medium, Reddit, Shopify, or WordPress site. Okay, so you can prepare some articles up front and you can start scheduling them for the future. Okay, I think that's a great news because those schedule tools are very popular those days. You can plan some work up front, and then, for example, if you're going for holidays, those tools will auto upload those articles into your websites. Okay. So now we know everything about the AppSumo deal. Let's jump into the Junia AI website. Junia AI has currently receiving a traffic of about 700,000 visitors a month according to SimilarWeb. Okay, on the very high was 1.2 million, and now it's a drop to 700,000. Okay, still 700,000 is a large amount of traffic. Okay, so means that the people are using Junia AI, and it's been there for a while, and people actually trust this software. All right, so here are a few testimonials as you can go and read it yourself. Okay, you can go and check how it works on those 4 easy steps. So basically you can enter topic and keywords of your blog post, then customize tone of voice and content output, generate the final blog post, and edit, review, and publish publish it. Okay, so very similar to any other like SEO ranking tool. All right, like SEO writing tool. Okay, so this is it. Now let's go and jump into the Junia AI dashboard. You can simply log in using your email address. Okay, as I said, like 4 point here I showed you here that for GPT-4 is unlocked already. If you want to go ahead and with GPT-4o, however, you need to use that pay plan. So okay, I think that the GPT-4o is only on the monthly plan. On the AppSumo plan, GPT-4 is available. Okay, still very good. GPT-4 is it still gives you a very good outcomes. Out those articles are quite good. With it for with GPT-4. All right. So now what we can do here on Junia AI, we can AI article rewrite. So we have an article, we want to rewrite it, perfect. We want to create the article from scratch, very popular option. People are using that very often. We can brand voice. Basically, you can upload the sample of your written content, and Julia will quickly learn your style and will recreate that for you. And keyword explorer. Okay, you can use the keyword explorer, and it's been connected with the Google. So data comes directly from Google. And also you can AI edit. Okay, start writing effortlessly with AI. Go to editor, so you can start editing your, I don't know, you have your blog post ready and you just need to edit it. You can go and use this editing tool. Okay, so we got a few templates available for us, so you can use the template like a summarizer, unique content ideas. Okay, you can do the blog post, Twitter post, product description, Facebook ads, and others. Okay, there are a few of those available like this. Okay, for press release, user manual, plenty of those templates are already been here presented to you, so you don't have to create your own template. You can go and pick one of those and start creating straight away. Okay, you just need to put the idea of what you want to achieve. So let's say that we want to go ahead and do the blog post. If you stuck, you can always use this short video explanatory on how to use it. Okay, basically what you want to use is just the AI you want to put your topic there, you want to put your keywords, headline, and so on and so forth. Okay, so very easy. If you don't know your keywords, you can go to Keyword Explorer. Let's say, I don't know, let's say that we want to do something about the gardening. Okay, and we want to see the data from United States, and let's go and click okay and see what results will be showing up for us. Okay, so here you go. That's all the results being presented by the Keyword Explorer. Okay, only by logging into the software, you straight away, I'm using this free plan, I'm not paying anything for it at the moment, and I'm still able to use that Keyword Explorer, which is absolutely fantastic. Okay, let's say that we want to go from the lowest keywords to the highest keywords, or vice versa. Okay, so let's say that we want to use a couple of those very the popular keywords here inside our article. We can do that here. We can do this article beginning, let's say, the gardening. Okay, just for example, to give you guys some sort of idea of what to do. Okay, so if we don't want to, if we don't know on how to do it, what type of headline we want to use, you don't have an idea, you just simply click that button here, and that headlines will be created for you. Okay, so let's say this one, gardening for beginners, 5 easy steps to start growing your own food. All those headlines are very good, like, so I think it's this one. I will choose this one, and we will go and we can put also a reference article if we have one. Let's say that we want to make it let's say that we have some sort of article on our mind, and we want to make the reference to that article and create something different or very similar to the one, you can simply paste the URL here, and that tool will help to generate similar article to this one. Okay, so if we don't have that one, you just need to simply click on it here, analyze, and the SEO competitor analysis will be created for you, and we just stick to the by default United States as a country, but you can choose any other country you wish that SEO competitor analysis will be created, okay, for. All right, so here you go. So here is the top 7 results according to Junia AI. Remember those results are they have a direct integration with Google, as far as I understand, so those results are very similar to the Google's results. So here you go. Those are the ones which they are currently your competitor, if you, for example, you choose the topic gardening. Okay, so if you're happy with all of these, you just need to go and click next, and which comes out to generate outline. How many words? Let's say that we want, I don't know, maybe just about 1,000 words. It's absolutely fine. Select from brand voice. Okay, what we want to do is like your analyzed brand voice will appear here. Okay, but if we don't have a brand voice, that's absolutely not a problem at all. Remember, the brand voice is something that you need to create yourself. So basically, if you have a blog post already, you just need to paste your blog on that brand voice and option there I showed you before, and the brand voice will be created for you, which then you can actually go and create and choose it from the list here. Okay, but here you can say like casual, for example. If you don't have that brand voice here, if you have any additional instructions, you can do it here. If you get any sort of context you want to put it inside there, no problem, you can still do it, and if you don't, if you're happy with all those editing settings, you just need to go and click generate, and that generation is taking place right now while we speak, and it should be ready within the seconds. Okay, so it usually takes about 2 minutes, but I don't think it should be so long. I think it should be much quicker than this. Okay, but for the moment, what I want to do, I just want to put this on a pause, and I will come back to. Oh, here you go. I don't have to even do it, because it's the this content outline was already been created for us. Okay, so we get a H2s, we get a everything will be is ready for us to use. Okay, and if we are happy with this outline, we just simply go and we start generating, okay, this article for us. All right, so it says it might take a few minutes, which is absolutely fine. We can quickly review what it's gonna be done for us. Okay, so the topic will be gardening. Headline: gardening for beginners, 5 easy steps to start growing your own food. Reference articles: no articles added. Okay, remember, if you need the reference article, you just simply go and paste it here. Additional instructions, if you have any, please put it here. I didn't have any additional instructions for this article to be created. Background info, nothing I was going to add here, but if you have some, please do so. Please add it. Style: casual, words 1080, language English. Okay, so now let's click quickly. Okay, so article generated. Okay, open an article editor. Let's go and open that in our article editor. Right, this article has been generated for us. Here you go. Here's the article. Image was created for us. Okay, and here's the article. You got H2s, you got bullet points, and H3s, and everything is there. Okay, it's about 1,000 words, 1,280 words. Okay, which is absolutely fantastic. And now if you want to do some sort of editing, you can always go ahead and let's say that you want to choose this part, you want to choose this part here, and we want to expand on it. Let's just simply go and click expand on it, and this tool will expand on this particular part. If you're happy with it, absolutely fantastic. If you want to replace it, just click replace that. If you want to add it after the text, you can also do it, but if you don't want to replace it, here you go. This tool was already replaced that force and increased this word count to 1395. All right, so there you go. So this is the way how this tool works. If you need any sort of help, you can always add this, and you can put your comments here, and the tool will help you out with this. Okay, and if you want to do some sort of additional keyword research, we can also do it here. And if you're happy with the outcome, you just simply publish your article. Okay, you can link that article, as I said. You can link that with Medium, with your blog post, and any other media you want to actually do it. All right, so this SEO optimizer, okay, will give you the idea on how to actually optimize this score for you. Okay, so if you want to make this better, you obviously need to go and generate a report. Like for example here, you want to secondary keywords, content structure, complementary terms, internal links, prominent words, everything like that. You definitely just have to go ahead and do some additional changes into the article all the way till you see that this was actually done it to, let's say, 90% of SEO optimization. All right, guys, I think that's all what I want to cover in this video. If you like it, please hit the like button. I will be including the link into the tool into the AppSumo website inside the description of this video. If you have any comments, please leave it below, and thank you very much for watching.